Hello and welcome to Pabbly. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can make an automated home cleaning booking service on WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot is going to collect all of the details, book their service and even store their detail without any manual effort. Now, if you want to know how to make this WhatsApp chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. Now, over here, you can see I have made this chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Here, before letting you know how you can make this chatbot, let me show you how this chatbot is going to work. For that, here I'm going to enter a key message which is cleaning. As soon as I have entered my initial message, they have provided me a welcome message where they say, "Hi, welcome to Spark Home Cleaning. What service would you like today?" And here they have provided me two action buttons, book cleaning and view service. I'm going to click on view service. As soon as I have selected the view service option, they have provided me a list where they have provided their different service like full home cleaning, kitchen cleaning, bathroom cleaning, sofa carpet cleaning and balcony cleaning. I'm going to click on full home cleaning. As soon as we have selected our service, they have provided me a message which says deep cleaning of your all rooms, furniture and floors. And with that, they have provided me an action button which says book cleaning. And here they want few details like my home address. After address, they want to know about the date and time. And as soon as I have provided all of these information, they have replied me with a message which says, "Thank you for booking with Spark Home Cleaning. Here's your booking summary. Service, full home cleaning, address 111 ABC Nagar, Delhi, and date and time 2nd November 2025. So here you can see this chatbot is replying me within second and made my customer experience so much better. That too without any manual effort. If you want to know how to make this amazing chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you're going to search this, you will be landed on the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, and here you can run your entire business on WhatsApp with automate marketing, sales and customer support. Not only that, we have Pabbly community where you can get exclusive access of real-time update, helpful resources and support from both our team and fellow user. Also here you can share your ideas, ask questions and discover latest feature for using Pabbly application. If you want to know how to join this community, we have provided a link in the description box. You can check that out. Now, as we got to know about the community, I'm going to move back to the landing page. And here you can see there are two options, sign up for free and sign in. If you click on sign up for free, you will get 100 free credit every single month. But as I am existing user, I will sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications. For today, I'm going to select Pabbly Chatflow. As soon as I have selected Pabbly Chatflow, I will be landed on the dashboard page. Here you can manage and add all your WhatsApp number by clicking on Add WhatsApp Number button. And with that, we have many other features like inbox, contact, team queue, template, broadcast, flow, AI assistant, activity log, and get help. If you want to know any of these features in detail, we have provided a detailed video for that in a description box. You can check that out. For now, as we are making a chatbot, I'm going to click on chat flow button. And here in the flow builder page, I will add a new flow. Now, after adding a new flow, you need to provide a meaningful name. As we are making this chatbot for home cleaning business, I will name it accordingly as Automated Home Cleaning Booking. After providing a meaningful name, we can see over here a trigger box is given, where trigger event, keywords and regex are the feature inside the trigger box. For today, I'm going to use keywords that are going to help to initiate my conversation. Now to add keywords, I need to type a keyword and press the enter key and my keyword will be added. Similarly, you can add as many keywords as per your requirement. Now as soon as my customer initiate this conversation, I want to provide a welcome message with a media. For that, I am going to drag and drop media button and connect it with my trigger window. Here Here I'm going to browse my image, and as you can see, my image is uploaded successfully. After that, I will provide a welcome message by clicking on add content button and selecting the text button. Here I'm going to enter my message and provide few action button with it. Like this, as you can see, I have entered my welcome message, and with that I have provided two action button, book cleaning and view services. Now here I'm going to provide separate message for each action button. Let's start with book cleaning. Now to book a cleaning service, I need to ask few questions. First, I wanted them to choose which service they wanted to get. For that, I am going to provide a list option, and here I'm going to connect this action button with my list option. After that, I'm going to provide body message. Like this, I have provided a body message. You can also enter header and footer message. I'm going to leave it as it is for now. After that, I'm going to add section and enter my title. Here I'm going to enter my title as option, and after that I'm going to add my item like this, where I have added full home cleaning. Similarly, I'm going to add 4 more items. Like this, as you can see, I have added in total 5 items. And with these 5 items, I'm going to connect contact custom field, which will help me to store all of these options as soon as any of this item is selected by my customer. I'm going to connect each item with a separate contact custom field. Here I'm going to select the contact custom field as service, and here I'm going to enter my value from which we have connected. Like I have connected my first contact custom field with full home cleaning. I have entered my value as it is. Similarly, I'm going to connect each contact custom field with every item. Like this, I have connected 5 contact custom field with each of the items. Now after that, I will ask a single question. For that, again I'm going to drag and drop ask question and connect all of the contact custom field with this question box. And here I will ask a question, please share your home address for cleaning service. And after that, I will select my contact custom field as address and format as any. Now after that, last thing I wanted to ask about date and time. For that, again, I have drag and drop ask question, and here I'm going to enter my question. Select a date and time for your cleaning service. And after that, I will select my contact custom field as preferred date and format as date as well. Now, as soon as I have selected every single detail, I will add all of these detail in a specific tag. For that, I'm going to drag and drop add tag and connect it with my previous question. Here I'm going to create a tag by clicking on create tag button. As I have already created a tag over here, I will select that. Now as soon as I have selected my tag, I'm going to provide a confirmation message to them. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button, and here I'm going to enter my message like this, where I have entered, thank you for booking with Spark Home Cleaning. Here your booking summary, service, address and date and time. With that, I have provided a $sign with every contact custom field so that a specific and personalized message will be delivered to my customer. Now as we are done with our first action button, let's move to the next action button, which is view service. Now as soon as someone click on this view service, I'm going to provide a list of service to them. For that, I am going to drag and drop, select the list option, and here, like previously I have told you, I'm going to provide body message, and after that I'm going to add few items inside this list option. Like this, where I have provided all the services in this list option: full home cleaning, kitchen cleaning, bathroom cleaning, sofa carpet cleaning and balcony cleaning. Now similarly, here I'm going to connect contact custom field with each item, and here I'm going to provide a separate message for each item. Like this, where I have connected a separate contact custom field with each item, and with that I have provided a separate message for each item. Not only that, I have also provided an action button by the name of book cleaning. Now as soon as someone click on this action button, they will be asked few questions that we have provided on the above step. That's why I have connected this action button with the address question. And with that, I am done creating a automated WhatsApp chatbot for home cleaning business. On to our last step, don't forget to active your flow and save it. Also with that, I have provided a workflow link in the description box. You can check that out. And if you have any doubt, you can tell me in the comment section below. I will see you in my next video. Not only this, you can create many more chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.